Good morning, dear students, and welcome to e-learning module produced by Netaji Subhas Mahavidyalaya, Holdibari, Coach Bihar. Dear students, today I am going to talk about Funny Boy by Sam Selvadure. Sam Selvadure actually hails from Sri Lanka, and this particular novel is based on the very debatable topic, the oppression of minorities in Indian subcontinent. The oppression based on religion, ethnicity, sex, etc. Dear students, before going to discuss about the various type of oppressions and about the novel, I would like to talk very briefly about Sam Selvadure. Sam Selvadure was born in 1965 in Sri Lanka and moved with his family to Toronto. Dear student, remember here, after his birth, his family was compelled to move to or migrate to Toronto. Why did his family migrate to Toronto? Remember this one. Toronto is a very famous city in Canada, and Sam Selvadure, along with his family, migrated to Colombo in the year 1984. Remember the year, dear students, 1984. Funny Boy is Sam Selvadure's first novel. It is set in Sri Lanka and is constructed in the form of 6 beautifully rendered stories about a boy growing up within an extended upper middle class Tamil family that is living in Colombo. Sam Selvadure, dear students, some critics consider him as a transgender. He is at present is considered a Sri Lankan Canadian novelist, and he is still writing from Canada. And this book, Funny Boy, won the books in Canada First Novel Award, and his other books are also very famous in the literary world. He is currently living in Toronto with his partner Andrew Champion. Remember, I am not telling wife, partner. Sam Selvadure was born in Colombo in Sri Lanka to a Sinhalese mother and a Tamil father. Here also mark the dichotomy: Sinhalese mother and Tamil father, members of conflicting ethnic groups whose struggles form a major theme in his work. Ethnic riot that held in 1983 actually compelled the family to emigrate to Canada. I have already told you that mark 1984, when Sam Selvadure was 19. After migration, he studied creative and professional writing at part of a Bachelor of Fine Arts program at York University. Sam Selvadori recounted an account of the discomfort he and his partner experienced during a period spent in Sri Lanka in 1997 in his essay Coming Out in Times Asia's special issue on the Asian diaspora in the year 2003. In 2004, Selvadori edited a collection of short stories, Storiwala, short fiction from South Asian writers, which includes works by Salman Rushdie, Monica Ali, and Hanif Qureshi, among others. He published a young adult novel, Swimming in the Monsoon Sea. The word adult is within quote unquote. Swimming won the Lumbader Literary Award in the Children's and Youth Literature category in the year 2006. He was a contributor to several other journals. In 2013, he released a fourth novel, The Hungry Host. In 2013, Selvadori's Funny Boy was included in the syllabus under marginalized study and gay literature of the undergraduate English department of American College in Madurai. In 2014, he was awarded the Bonham Center Award from the Mark S. Bonham Center for Sexual Diversity Studies in University of Toronto for his contribution to the advancement and education of issues around sexual identification. In 2016, a species of spider was named after Selvadori called Brignolia siami, a small goblin spider which is a pale yellow color and between 1.4 mm and 1.5 mm in length. Dear students, in this novel, Funny Boy, one of the most important endemic, that is religious riot, has been talked about. The Southeast Asia is filled with, or the history of Southeast Asia is filled with these menace, that is religious riot. Almost each country in Indian subcontinent, the religious minorities have been some time or other subjected to oppression, either by the majority community, not all members of majority community, either by the majority community, member of majority community, or by the state itself. Take for example Bangladesh. the minorities Hindu, the minorities Sunni, the minority Shia, Sunni is in majority, the minority Bihari Muslims have been subjected to oppression by fundamentalist forces. Or in Pakistan, the minorities Hindu, Sikhs, Christian, Ahmadiyya, Shias have been subjected to oppression. In the same way, in Sri Lanka, the minorities are Sinhalese, the minorities are Tamil and Muslims. And these Tamil people mostly migrated from Tamil Nadu or South India to Sri Lanka. And this Tamil started migrating to Sri Lanka right from 3rd century BC. History tells us that Emperor Ashok sent his son and daughter Sanghamitra and Mohendra to Sri Lanka, and they started, the Tamils started living in the Jaffna Peninsula, and the South Sri Lanka is populated by Sinhalese, majority is Sinhalese, and the Jaffna Peninsula is populated by Tamils who have migrated from South India. And dear students, the fate of the Tamil community in Sri Lanka has often decided the politics of Tamil Nadu. Be the killing of our Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi or several attacks on him was prompted by the religious fighting in Sri Lanka between the Sinhalese and the Tamils. Frankly speaking, the Tamils have been deprived of several opportunities by the Sinhalese, accompanied by their state power. And it is also a fact that India has supported the cause of, Indian government, the Tamil communities living in Sri Lanka. Even up to 1984, a separatist group, later on it was entitled as a terrorist group, LTTE, Liberation of Tamil Tiger Elham, was supported by giving training by Indian government. Later on, when LTTE started targeting Indian interest, that support was withdrawn. India started supporting them not with malified intention, rather to preserve their rights. So dear students, in the year 1983, there was a pogrom, there was a communal rites or religious rites conducted by the Sinhalese community and they were accompanied by the state machineries. And as a result of that, the parents of Sam Selvadurai was forced to migrate to a new country for safety and security of his family. Dear students, in the next chapter, I will talk about the important characters, genre, etc. Thank you and enjoy reading.